Again, the cutter of what is street was first to come out from that bastards. Because when I mailed the dog, suddenly they thought that yesterday when I called this man and not even eligible to talk or nothing. Then because of the situation, I understood. I don't want to know what happened. That's the reason I had to call this kind of parana cheta. That Madhavji at least was something, some quality was there in that. So they just understand the intention of the people. And these all stick around fellows who want that you people should be in their control only. And they are afraid of me. That's the reason these all fellows are doing anything. The new love in have some common sense month with the potty. How many girls he chucked and without any shame guy he check this shit in hotel. Oh, when you come go check banana potty. I love that. That's the reason the what you do the exceptional activities you are getting back also. Did you got a dialogue or a report? Like, Congress, it is sitting.